Bible Study Guide, Day 25, Genesis 38 to 40. In this chapter, we see a stark contrast between Joseph and his brother Judah. While Joseph remains faithful to God in the face of adversity, Judah succumbs to temptation and makes grave mistakes. Judah marries a Canaanite woman named Shua and has 3 sons, Onan, and Shelah. He arranges for his firstborn son, to marry a woman named Tamar. However, was wicked in the eyes of the Lord and dies childless. According to custom, his brother Onan is supposed to fulfill his duty by marrying Tamar and providing her with an heir. However, Onan refuses and is put to death by the Lord. After this, Judah sends Tamar back to her father's house and promises to give her his youngest son Shelah when he grows up. Judah has no intention of fulfilling this promise, leaving Tamar as a childless widow and forsaking his duty to provide for her. Tamar takes matters into her own hands and deceives Judah by posing as a prostitute and tricking him into sleeping with her. She becomes pregnant with twins, and Judah, upon discovering the truth, acknowledges his own wrongdoing and declares Tamar more righteous than himself. Tamar gives birth to twin boys, Perez and Zerah, who later become part of the lineage of Jesus Christ. This serves as a reminder that God is sovereign and can use even the most unconventional methods to bring about his plans. In contrast to his brother, Joseph remains faithful and obedient to God despite facing numerous trials. He is sold into slavery by his brothers and ends up in Egypt, where he becomes a servant in the house of Potiphar, an officer of Pharaoh. God's nearness to Joseph gives him success in everything he does, which catches the attention of Potiphar. Joseph is put in charge of the entire household, but his character and integrity are truly tested when Potiphar's wife tries to seduce him. Joseph refuses her advances, saying that it would be a sin against God and against Potiphar. But she persists and falsely accuses Joseph of trying to seduce her when he runs away from her. Potiphar believes his wife and throws Joseph into prison. Even in prison, the Lord is with Joseph and grants him favor in the eyes of the prison warden. He rises to a position of authority and gains the trust of the warden. Joseph's faithfulness and God-given ability to interpret dreams are evident once again in this chapter. He meets 2 prisoners, the cupbearer and the baker of Pharaoh, who both have troubling dreams. Joseph interprets their dreams, predicting that the cupbearer will be restored to his position, while the baker will be put to death. His interpretations come true, but the cupbearer forgets about Joseph and does not mention him to Pharaoh as he promised. In this chapter, we see a glimpse of the unfairness and injustice that Joseph faces at the hands of others. But even in these circumstances, God is still with him and using his gifts for his purposes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.